Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to automatically add tags in System.io quickly and easily. First, log into your System.io account. From the dashboard, click Automation and then Rules. Click Create to create a new automation rule. Choose a trigger that will start the automation. For example, you can use triggers like a contact subscribing to a form, purchasing a product, registering for a webinar, or completing a course. Next, choose the action called Add Tag. Select the tag you want to assign to the contact. If you haven't created the tag yet, create it first from the contact section, then return to your automation rule. Click Save to activate the rule. Now, whenever the selected trigger occurs, System.io will automatically apply the tag to that contact. Tags are useful for organizing subscribers, creating audience segments, and sending targeted email campaigns. Finally, test your automation by completing the trigger and confirming that the tag has been added correctly. That's it. You've successfully set up automatic tags in System.io. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick System.io tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.